All right, guys, so welcome back. So now you finally made it to the last final step, which is step number 9. And this is where you're going to get your traffic through Lead Sleep. So in the beginning, you signed up for Lead Sleep. You got your free account. Hopefully you upgraded to Pro because this is what we're going to be talking about in this video. You can do this with the free version, but with the free version, you have to view ads to earn credits. And that's the only way they're going to send traffic to your ad. Okay, so I highly recommend that you go all in, go pro, so that you can get way more traffic, and because you'll be able to post more ads. With the free version, you only can do 3 ads, but with the pro version, you can post 10 credit ads, right? And then you can post 10 pro ads. So you can have a total of 20 ads that you're running simultaneously, right? Cool thing about the pro version is you don't have to look at ads to get traffic. The pro version, they're going to send traffic. They're going to put you in their rotator and send traffic to your link. All right, so I'm going to be showing you this through the pro version, but the process is still the same whether you're doing pro or free. You just have more ads that you can post with the pro version. All right, so this is where we're at. We're going to go to post pro ads. We're going to add our new ad. We're going to insert our URL, which is this page right here, our page link, like we did previously with the other traffic companies. Create our catchy ad in the title, upload a picture, save and submit it, and then we're going to be done. All right, so I'm not going to do it. You can, like I said, you can have 10 ads, right? I'm just going to show you once, and you just repeat the process 9 more times for pro. All right, so like I said, the upgraded pro members have 10 pro ads facility. All right, so you could do 10 ads total. And if you want to do the credit, you can do 10 credit ads also. So you can do this a total of 20 times, all right, and post your ads. So here we go. You want to be in your Lead Sleep account, all right, and what you want to do, you want to go up to post pro ads right here, and then you're going to want to click on add new ad. All right, and then I think it's going to go out. I already have some ads, so it may come all the way down to the bottom. Let's see where it went. Here it is. Okay. So it's going to look like this. All right, so right now, as we create the ad, it's gonna be kind of blank. So what you want to do is get your URL, right? So you're going to want to get your URL link. So we're going to go back to Page Manager. All right, and we're going to get our link right here. We're going to click the pro member use, and you don't have to put Lead Sleep because you know it's going to be coming from Lead Sleep, but if you still want to put it Lead Sleep add traffic after the / you can do that. And once you're done, just copy that. All right, we're going to close this, and then we're going to go back to post pro ads, find our ad, where is it? Boom, and we're going to put that link here. All right, and then what you're going to want to do is put a catchy title. So you could just pull from the ad. All right, so if you're doing this challenge, you could put leave your job challenge. All right, you just got to stay within the characters. You only get 25, so sometimes you may have to play with it. Leave your job. Whoops. Challenge. All right, cool. Be up under 20, and then go back here. Build infinite passive income. All right, so boom. Build infinite passive income. All right, and then you're going to want to get an image. You can actually screenshot this right here and crop it a little bit and just have that as your picture, or if you want to do your own picture, that's up to you. All right. But once you have that image, you're going to click on add image. All right, and upload image, and then find that image there. For right now, I think I may have it in here somewhere to where I did it. All right, so there's mine. All right, so boom, and you want to make sure it's all centered with the borders. All right, just like so. And when you're done, click that right here. All right, and then as you see, it's kind of populating as with, oh, here it is. I already have that ad already. All right, so as you can see, it's populating as we're doing it. All right, so we have our URL, catchy title. We have the ad text. We uploaded our image. So now we got to set a category. And I just do affiliate marketing, but you could do internet marketing, make money online, anything that has to do with what we're doing. So for tutorial educational purposes, we do affiliate marketing. Leave the ad type on standard. All right, and then once you've done that, you click save and submit. All right, I'm not gonna do it. I already got one running that I did on a previous video. I made a tutorial for in this account. But that is it. So that's what you would do, and you would just repeat that step 9 times after this one. So you'll have your 10 pro ads. As you can see up top, I'm almost there now. So 9 out of 10, but only 8 are active because I just did one for this tutorial. And then if you have the pro account, you can go to post credit ads. All right, as you can see, you got to maintain credits for them to run your ads on the free version. All right, now in the free version, if you're using the free version, which means you haven't upgraded to the pro account, you only can do 3 ads, right? But as you can see right here in the pro version, you can have 10. All right, so if you're doing the free, you can't post pro ads, but you can post free ads, but only 3, and you have to earn credits, right? So they can run your ads. But in the pro version, you can do free ads still, but you'll be able to post 10, and you'll be able to post 10 pro ads. So a total of 20 ads you can have running, right? So you would just repeat that process here, just like the pro ads. Click add new ad, create your ad, and then click save and submit, just like we did here, right? I didn't save and submit it before I left the page, so it went back to all the default settings. All right, but your URL, catchy title, add text, add an image, pick a category, save and submit, and you are done. Once you do that, you guys, you are completely done with this. And now all you have to do is just wait for the traffic start pouring in. Make sure you check your emails. Make sure you check in lead sleep. And if you're using another autoresponder, you'll start seeing that it's coming in. Plus, all of the traffic people here are going to be sending you updates of what's going on with your link. All right. So that is it for the entire challenge. Now, if you have any questions or you get stuck or anything, you can email. I left the emails here for all of the companies. You can email them directly if you're going through any technical issues. All right. And then also, if you want to keep going and you want to earn more a whole lot faster, I have this link here that you can get my secret traffic sources here that I'm using, and you could take it to a whole nother level, right? And then if you want some additional products, if you want to take part of this software to where you could promote 15 plus multiple offers in one click using the same strategy, so you can 10x your income a lot more, try this out and you can get started for free. All right. And once also down here, you can change all your affiliate links and add your own banners here. All right. You can do whatever you want or you can leave it. All right. Follow me on YouTube. This right here is where you can check out the Lead Sleep course. And this is another traffic source that I laid down for you. This is one of the best ones that I should have made a secret, but I'm going to give it to you as a bonus that you can check out. It's called OLSP. Click on that to get more details. But hey, you guys, you did it. If you completed this, kudos. Make sure you post in the Facebook group or one of my communities to let everybody know that you completed it, so we can root for you and support you. And I see you on the other guy. I see all you guys on the other side of success.